In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on Connected Devices. Then choose Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, click on this gear right next to connected device. Hit Forget next to connect and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!